So marriages are made in heaven, and we met through an angel who has a marriage bureau who does it for charity, and he's my dad's friend, and I got Kiran's profile from him. We kind of first just spoke on WhatsApp and we planned for our meeting.
Where did we first meet? Sayaji. It's there in the Mehndi as well, and my first really memory, funny. एक बंदे ने मुझे बोला मैं ना आधा घंटा 45 मिनट्स में पहुंचूंगा। कहा ठीक है, आराम से उठे, कॉल किया, हाँ आई एम रीचिंग इन 15 मिनट्स। लाइक ओके ओके।
कंधा कच्चियां ने जी प्रीता सच्चियां ने कोठे चोंदे ने जी तड़फोंदे।
Well, Kiran as a child, actually I've seen her as a toddler, I would say, and right from her childhood she was the best word I can say for her was the naughtiest kid I've ever seen.
तेनू हर गल दसांगे, तेनू हर गल दसांगे,
मेरी बेटी गुडड़ी
तेरे नाल ही हंसांगे।
इसी की वजह से आज शादी हुई है। जब यश का रिश्ता आया था, शी सीज द फोटो लाइक किरण होमली है, कर ले शादी।
There, and that's how we interacted, got to know each other, and want to meet for the next time, for the second time increased, and wanted to know her better.
One thing that you'll miss after marriage?
Obviously my hometown, and everything.
हेॾे मुंहुं हुजे असां वटि पुठी हुजे बेटा।
दो दिन पहले ही यश ने गाना गाया था, so I'm repeating it. दूल्हे का सेहरा सुहाना लगता है, दुल्हन का तो सभी अच्छा है। Nature that he mixes well with everybody, family, friends and everything. I don't have to, you know, वो एक होता है ना, किसी को डर होता है कि यार इसको ये बता दूँ कि इसके साथ ऐसा बिहेव करना, कहीं गलत इंप्रेशन ना पड़ जाए। You don't have to do, you have to just chillax because 100% surety है कि वो झेलप हो जाएगा।
The incident which I will always remember is every time we met, I just took care of her like this is the girl I want to be with. That's the most minute detail what I can just give you right now.
This was the very second or the third time when I was meeting him, so I had informed him कि please drive slow and come at your own pace, don't hurry. But नहीं, हमारे भाई साहब तो plane उड़ाते हैं ना, गाड़ी चलाते थोड़ी है। So he reached early, and that very morning I had gone for a cycle ride. एंड मैं फुल ऐसा गीली साइकिल में एकदम ऐसे धूल मिट्टी में लथपथ मैं आ रही हूँ, एंड आई एम नॉकिंग हिज कार का विंडो। आई वाज लाइक अभी ऊपर चल, अभी ऊपर चल, आई विल गेट फ्रेश एंड अप एंड गो। सो दैट वाज रियली स्वीट ऑफ हिम टू वेट, एंड एज यूजुअल ही कीप स्लीपिंग इन द कार अंटिल एंड अनलेस आई कम, क्योंकि वो मुझे लेट कमर बुलाता है। सखी
Kiran as a child has been very mischievous. She has been very jolly since her childhood. Actually, every day with Kiran has been an adventure. But as she has been the favorite child in the house, everything she does is a memory.
So the basic thing what I really like about her is she's grounded, she's very humble, caring, responsible, and she does take care of me the way I wanted my partner to take care of.
There is a level of stupidity जो मैं और मेरा भाई ही समझ सकते हैं. या आई एम गोना मिस हिम बिकॉज ये सिंधी बात नहीं कर सकता है, तो वो जो सिंधी में सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर आता है ना व्हेन वी सो बेसिकली मी एंड माई ब्रदर कीप मिमिकिंग पापा मम्मी अंकल आंटी या कोई भी ऐसे फैमिली फंक्शन होता है तो हम दोनों से बस देख लेते हैं, फिर घर जाके बातें करते हैं, भैया तूने वो देखा, भैया तूने वो देखा. आई एम गोना मिस दैट अ लॉट, बट आई मिस गोइंग home and doing all that shore sharaba. Definitely I am gonna miss my all time machine ATM. My papa like पापा पैसे कम पड़े, पापा पैसे डाल दो, पापा ये खरीदना है, पापा वो खरीदना है. And yes, I'm gonna miss the morning tea time with my mom and dad, and definitely my bhabhi, because I know it was very sort of a different and a bit of a hard time to her to adjust to this family, especially my mom is an OCD, but she's done a very good job, and I'm gonna miss the way bhaiya teases bhabhi and all its small things. Yeah, I'm gonna miss all of that.
ਪਹਿਲੀ ਤੱਕਣੀ ਚ ਵੇ ਅੜਬੇ ਲੱਗਿਆ, ਹੌਲੀ ਹੌਲੀ ਫਿਰੇ ਮੇਰਾ ਦਿਲ ਠੱਗਿਆ, ਪਤਾ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਨਾ ਟਾਈਮ ਲੱਗਿਆ, ਜਿਵੇਂ ਮਿੰਟਾਂ ਚ ਬੀਤ ਗਏ ਸਾਲ ਤਿੰਨ ਵੀ. ਹੱਸਦੀ ਰਹੇ ਹੱਸਦੀ ਰਹੇ ਹੱਸਦੀ ਰਹੇ ਹੱਸਦੀ ਬੋਲੀ ਮੁੰਦਰੀ, ਰੋਜ਼ ਉਂਗਲਾਂ ਤੇ ਲਾਦੀ ਮੈਂ ਤੇਰੀ ਕਾਗਣੀ ਦੀ. ਹੱਸਦੀ ਰਹੇ ਹੱਸਦੀ ਬੋਲੀ ਮੁੰਦਰੀ, ਰੋਜ਼ ਉਂਗਲਾਂ ਤੇ ਲਾਦੀ ਮੈਂ ਤੇਰੀ ਕਾਗਣੀ ਦੀ.
And my in-laws told me something that I have my father-in-law, he's actually not a father-in-law, he's a father. My father told me that he's giving away his precious thing to me, and I was like, you're not giving away your precious thing, you're getting another son into the family.
My mother-in-law is like, जो आपको पसंद है वो पहनो, no restriction of color, pattern or everything. A very small thing, but I was more tensed about my own parents. My father-in-law is the most shant and chill person and a very nice. And my brother-in-law Kunal Bhaiya, very dapper and very cool.
I'm feeling like a hummingbird in springs in bloom, springs in bloom, brand new colors like I haven't seen, because I'm with you, I'm with you. like this. It's never felt quite like this.
ये तो ये मेरा ना हमेशा से ड्रीम रहा है कि मुझे किसी के वेडिंग पे मुझे इंटरव्यू देना है टॉकिंग अबाउट देम. सो थैंक यू फॉर फुलफिलिंग माई ड्रीम. एंड हाँ ऑब्वियसली ये मेरे पास लहंगा था तो वो भी कहीं ना कहीं तो पहनना ही था, तो आपकी शादी आपके बीच में. और हाँ ठीक है, अभी खाना खाने मिल जाएंगे वहाँ.
Let's enjoy life. Let's live life like a roller coaster. Let's explore. Let's travel. Let's do adventurous trips. Let's chill at home, watch Netflix, and we will always be good together. I will always understand you, and I will always be like a rock solid pillar, and I'll be in your support always.
There is this very famous quote: I wouldn't be able to love you the way I do because yesterday was a different day, today is different, and tomorrow for sure, definitely the future is different. I'll keep loving you and taking care of not only you, the family as well, in a different day, every day, and I love you. ये हो गया.